Four injured in early morning fiery crash on highway. Saint Anne man accused of raping 14-year-old girl chopped to death. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Saint Anne police are investigating the chopping death of a man who was accused of raping a 14-year-old girl and abducting a 2-year-old boy during a bizarre series of events over the last 3 days in Monique. The deceased has been identified as 36-year-old Orlando Teo Coward, an unemployed man from Greywood District where the alleged crimes took place. More details to come following further investigations. 4 people traveling in a Toyota Corolla motor car on the East-West Highway this morning received burns after the vehicle crashed into the median at a section of the road. According to information reaching the news media, the men were traveling on the highway about 7:30 a.m. when, on getting to the Bowles entrance to the highway, another vehicle drove onto the road. According to one of the occupants of the crashed vehicle, in order to avoid a collision with the vehicle that came onto the highway, the driver reportedly swerved and their Toyota Corolla crashed into the median before bursting into flames. The 4 men managed to escape, but not before receiving burns. They were taken to hospital.